Hey Rebels, back with another video, duh. I can't even say that confidently because I haven't even been on here in a while, but I'm back. And we're going to do some simple curls using the flexi rods. This style was a rush job because I did it at the last minute, so I only kept it in overnight. I simply just spray my hair to manipulate it, and then I wrap the flexi rods going away from my face. I then bend the rod onto itself for support and then pretty much just repeat the process. That face you make when you know it might not turn out right. Me showing you the size and length difference. This was for my sister's Mafia themed birthday dinner, so you'll see a few pics towards the end of the final look. Definitely not one of my favorite because this was very difficult sleeping on. I couldn't wait to take them out when I woke up. So it just added to me taking it out a lot sooner than it was supposed to. Tried to do the turn a little bit then pull, but you know, it'd be a little stubborn sometimes. So see, they're not the best. I definitely could have did it a lot better, but I knew what I was getting into when I did it at the last minute. So I'm pretty sure if you put this in for a good considerable amount of time, they'll turn out a lot better and not limp like this, because they definitely didn't hold like almost at all, but the ends. But thank you so much for your continued support. It means so much to me. And until next time.